Hey guys, this is a unboxing video, just staying in the kind of theme with budget shotguns. I'm a big SCAR fan. I own SCAR 16. I used to have a SCAR 17, and something that looks like a SCAR in a shotgun was pretty cool. So this is the Panzer SCR 12 or XII, depending on the nomenclature. I got this at PSA. It was $3.49. Comes with 2 5-round magazines. Comes with a set of chokes, choke key, pop-up sights. There's the other mag there. It also has an angled foregrip. This one's painted, kind of cool. Has a little muzzle device. We're gonna have to Loctite that bad boy on. The gas system changes by this knob here. So high gas, low gas shuts it off. It does remove. I've got to read the manual to see exactly how everything works. Charging handle, I think the charging handle is supposed to remove and be able to put it on both sides. But yeah, it's got the SCAR buttstock, cheek riser. There's a mag release here, larger mag release here. This takes all of the T1919 pattern magazines. So I did a video of the Tokarev 10 rounds that were on sale at PSA for $14.99 right now, so they'll fit this. So yeah, we'll do a live fire demo, do a first shots video. I think the Winchester Fast Dove and Clay should run really good. But yeah, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share these out. Just trying to do a little more video stuff on especially budget shotguns. People that are trying to get into the 2A community. This is a low barrier to entry, and they can have some fun with it. So, all right, take care, guys. I appreciate you. Have a great day.